Hey everyone, Isabel here with the last video on my how to make a junk journal from a recycled book. It is completed. It took me longer than I expected. That's why I'm posting so late. I did make some embellishments that I put in a drawer to keep myself organized. Mostly I just made tabs and tags. All the photos I printed onto sticker paper. This is the first time I do this. I always print on photo paper, but I was trying to be efficient. Other than that, I grabbed from my scraps. This journal has no set colors, but I always buy my favorite colors, so that's why you see the same colors in every page. Can you tell what color that is? I really enjoyed making this journal. I kept it to 2 signatures with the hope that the journal would be nice and flat. But no, my journals always end up chunky. There is still some room to journal more and add photos later. Pockets really help for this. I hope you enjoy looking at my journal. I'm going to stop talking and just let the video play while I flip through. Please give me a like or a comment if you liked it so I know that someone is watching. I'll leave with saying that I really hope you are doing well. Be safe and be nice. Bye.